Now batting Kail Hill.
Come on, Kail.
Kail Hill to the plate.
Here we go, Kail. Here we go, Kail. Kail, kid.
Check swing. They say you went. Strike one. Scepter. His sixth inning of work. Oh, he thumps Kail on the shoulder.
You don't feel pain. Hey, you can't hurt feel.
Greatest stuff.
Just wait to see how the game turns out tonight.
So not having your greatest stuff and what was a pitcher's duel early on,
You have to ask Adam for
I'd
the
say that's probably
details.
a positive thing. That ball is going to be sailed long back into center field, and making the catch on the run is Kail Hill. Kail covered a lot of territory out there.
That's a great play.
Okay. All right.
Hill can play anywhere.
That one smoked into center field, coming on, making the catch. Kail Hill sliding with the grab. So two great plays in the inning for Kail Hill. And that leaves the bases
That's
loaded.
Kail Hill in center field for the Stallions.
Fulton Railroaders 3, Muhlenberg Stallions 0 as we go to the bottom of the 8th. That one's lined into center. Gets down. Kail Hill makes the play. Two runners coming in. Going to be a play at the plate. And it's called safe. Coach Silva going to go out and discuss that one. We'll go down. It's a double for Gibson.
You forgot to point out. How can he get an extra bat? You have nothing to say because you know it's true.
Yeah, whatever, dude. Whatever. Whatever, dude.
Your hand.
So runners at second and third. 2 runs in makes it 5-0 here in the top of the ninth.
Terrible.
The argument is the umpire saw
Now
the
batting
runner
Norris.
slide, pulled his arm back to punch him out, and then signaled safe. That one shot into left field. Kail Hill breaks in, makes the catch. Guns it to home, and he punched him out. Great throw by Kail Hill. So the double play ends the inning. So we're going to go to the good guy half of the ninth, trailing 5-0. Kail Hill has earned his paycheck out there in center field tonight. That's his third great play.